Automechanika is the biggest event in our industry, and it's coming up the 3rd to the 5th of June. We're really excited. We're going to be there again, and this time we're bringing all of our experts with us. We're bringing the whole team, including our tech support. So normally when we've got Dave Jones, the Awesome Knowledge Dave, who talks all about the diagnostic tools, but this time we're bringing the guys off the help desk, the guys that you speak to every day, so you can ask them whatever you want. We'll be holding Q&A sessions. You can book in for them, ask whatever you want, challenge them. We want to see them challenged, push them, bring your trickiest problem, trickiest faults, and see if they can solve it for you. We'll also be running our Ultimate OEM quiz. Winners can win £1,000 off an OEM kit, £500 off an OEM kit, or 1 day's training at the Automotive Training Academy. You can choose from a range of OEM courses, especially designed for the automotive aftermarket. We'll also be hosting a networking event, an hour where you can come and grab a beer with us, just have a chat, no pressure, just talk about what's going on in the industry, what's going on in your lives, in your workshops, and we'll be really happy to see you there. So come and see us on stand C90 from the 3rd to the 5th of June.